Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When I'm busy and hungry and I don't have time to make an elaborate lunch or dinner, I prefer making sandwiches because they're quick, simple, easy, and I personally love sandwiches and they're easy to munch on the go. Today I'm going to share two fantastic sandwich recipes with you guys, so let's get started and check it out. For the masala powder, I've taken 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a few cloves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 2 thin strips of cinnamon. So we're just going to dry roast everything. After about 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the stove. Cool the ingredients completely. Add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and about half teaspoon of black salt. Grind everything together to a nice fine powder. The masala powder is done. Remove it from the mixer jar and keep it aside. For the mint and coriander chutney, I've taken a nice handful of mint leaves, half bowl of coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, a piece of ginger chopped, add the juice of half lemon and about half teaspoon of black salt or the kala namak. Just grind everything together. So I'm just adding about a teaspoon of water. Now that all the elements for the sandwiches are ready, let's start assembling the sandwiches. White sandwich bread, you can use any bread of your choice. Spread a generous amount of unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter if you like. Next, spread a generous amount of mint and coriander chutney evenly on top of the bread. Now place the boiled potato slices. Sprinkle some of the masala powder on top. Next, place the fresh onion slices. Sprinkle some masala powder on top of the onion slices. Spread more butter onto another slice of bread. Also spread the mint and coriander chutney. Spread some more butter on top of the slice of bread. Spread another layer of the mint and coriander chutney on top. Now place the fresh tomato slices and sprinkle it with some masala powder. Place some fresh cucumber slices. Sprinkle some masala powder on top. To the last slice of bread, spread some generous amount of butter and mint and coriander chutney evenly. So we're going to finish off by adding some grated cheese. So I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Close the sandwich with the final slice of bread. Next, we're going to grill the sandwich. To a grill pan, spread generous amount of unsalted butter. Place the prepared sandwich on top. Brush some butter on all the sides. Grill it for a few minutes. So once it turns to a nice golden brown color on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Brush some more butter onto the pan. Brush the sides of the bread with some butter. So there you go, the sandwich is ready. Remove it from the grill pan. Cut it into half and serve it hot immediately. Wow, look at those layers. They look absolutely fantastic. You can see the lovely chutney and the vegetables and the cheese. It's a perfect grilled sandwich. So there you go. Here is this delicious Bombay style grilled sandwich, which is a must try. For the toasties, first I'm going to make the garlic butter. To a bowl, take about 100 grams of unsalted butter. To this, just grate some fresh garlic. You can take about 3 to 4 cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and a little bit of salt. Mix everything together. So you can add Italian seasoning if you like to the garlic butter as well. The garlic butter is ready. Keep this aside. Next, I'm going to grate some mozzarella cheese. This is about 200 grams of cheese. So I've just used a medium grater to grate this. Once you've grated the mozzarella cheese, keep this aside. Next, I'm going to make the filling for the toasties. For this, to a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 cup of finely chopped red capsicum, 1 cup of finely chopped green capsicum, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now, if you don't want to add green chilies, you can avoid them. Add some finely chopped garlic, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Next, add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together well. So you can see those beautiful colors and the flavors are amazing. Now, once you've mixed all the ingredients together well, keep this aside. Now that we have all the elements to make the toasties, let's start making them. Take 2 slices of bread. You can use any bread of your choice. Generously spread the butter on both the slices. Now place the prepared vegetable cheese filling on one slice. Place the other slice on top and gently press it. Now we are going to toast the sandwiches. Take a pan, add a little bit of butter. Gently place the sandwiches on the pan. So I'm toasting 2 small sandwiches now. Once the sandwiches are toasting on one side, apply a little bit of butter on the top. Close the pan and let the sandwiches toast for a few minutes. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. So you can see it's toasted to a lovely golden brown color. Now gently flip the sandwiches to the other side. Close the pan and toast for a few minutes. So this will help the vegetables to cook and also for the cheese to melt inside. Wow, you can see the cheese is all melted. It's so gooey. The best way to enjoy this sandwich is immediately after you've toasted it. So just cut it into half and you can serve it nice and hot with all that gooey cheese melting from inside. It's a very simple and great recipe for everyone, especially your kids will love this. Whenever they're back from school, if you want to make them a quick snack, you can make this and give it to them. You can see how beautiful the cheese is melted from inside. So you can use any vegetables of your choice for this filling. I've served these sandwiches with some ketchup by the side. You can enjoy it as is, but make sure you serve it nice and hot. Hope you guys enjoyed those 2 delectable sandwiches. Do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.